guys, welcome back to my channel for another wreath tutorial. In this video, I want to give you a couple of ideas so that you can create a super full deco mesh wreath. And when you follow these techniques, your wreath will be the perfect base for adding floral stems, picks, and ribbon. So let's get started. I've already assembled the mesh on the inner and outer ring of the wreath form. And if you'd like to know how to do that, I'll link that video for you here and also down below. I'm using a 24-inch wreath form and a 21-inch jute deco mesh. So a trick that I figured out after making wreaths for a while was to go around a third time with my mesh. I always have about a third of a roll left over, so this way you use up the entire roll. Right from where you ended, take the deco mesh, make another poof, and put it into the twist tie on the bottom row where you've already attached the mesh. So essentially you'll have 2 rows of poofs on the outer layer, and you just go all the way around and you should finish up having used up the whole roll. Pretty cool, huh? Another tip I have is to add some rolls of 10-inch deco mesh to what you already have assembled with your 21-inch mesh. And how I do this is I cut out 18 strips of 10 inches each, which will be 1 strip for every twist tie. I'm using my rotary cutter here and self-healing mat, but you can also use scissors. Another option is to cut 36 strips so that you have 2 on every twist. 1 roll of deco mesh will do 36 strips of 10 inches each. I like using this method because it adds another dimension to my wreaths and it just creates more fullness. I'm going to take my strips and I'm just going to roll them up, and then I'm going to untwist the ties and put them right into where the deco mesh already is. Just twist it right back up again. And this just adds a really fun and whimsical look to the wreath. Now you have a base for adding lots of fun picks and ribbon like this. For a tutorial on how I added this sign and these picks, I'll link that video for you here. I hope you feel inspired to create your own wreath. If this tutorial was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more wreath inspiration every Tuesday and Friday. Thanks for watching.